Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Apple Pay stop working right after you updated your iPhone? This is super common after iOS updates and it's almost always a quick fix without any card removal needed. First, do a full iPhone restart. Hold the side button and volume down. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, turn back on. iOS updates sometimes interrupt the wallet app's connections and a clean restart fixes it. After restarting, go ahead and open settings and tap wallet and Apple Pay and check if your cards are still showing and active. If your cards show yellow warning or says verify, tap on it and complete the verification. iOS updates sometimes trigger re-verification requests from bank. If your card looks fine but Apple Pay is still not working, try removing one card and adding it back. Tap the card in wallet, scroll down and tap remove card. Then go to settings, wallet and Apple Pay, tap add card and then add it back. This often forces Apple Pay to refresh after an update. So, all you gotta do is restart your phone, check cards in wallet for warnings, verify any flagged cards, and remove and re-add if needed. Apple Pay will be back to working again, and that's it. Subscribe for more iOS